and welcome to Curry TV. On this episode, I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes of French toast. I know you know French toast, how to make it. This is also known as Bombay Toast in India. So let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. I got a little bit of salt here, that is according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoonful of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, a splash of vanilla, and 2 large size eggs. Now to make all this, I'm using 6 Texas style toast. Texas style toast comes very thick, so that's best, otherwise it just become very soggy. So I'm using 6 slices of the Texas style toast for this recipe. Now for that, let's take a look how this is made. Let's crack open 2 eggs. Okay. And I'm just going to add it into my milk. Okay. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. If you don't like that flavor of cinnamon, you can opt out of it, but I feel that gives a good flavor to our French toast. Now salt is according to your desire, so I'm using a pinch of salt and a good splash of vanilla. Okay, let's mix it all together. Make sure you whisk it all together. Okay, this is my trick. I mixed it all in this, dip it in both sides, and then get it onto the griddle or a non-stick skillet. Okay, now you can make this with vegetable oil, or you can make even flavorful with butter. So let's try this over to the stove. So for this, you can use a non-stick skillet or a griddle. I'm just going to go with my chapati griddle. Once the pan is nice and hot, we can add a teaspoon of butter. So while that is heating up, let's place 1 bread at a time into our batter and cover both sides and place it onto our griddle. Make sure we drain off all the excess and you place it like so, and toast it on both sides and then get it off the grill. I'm just seasoning it with a little bit more butter. Now if you're using butter that is already salted, you don't have to add salt in our recipe. So check before you do that. Okay, it's time to get it off our grill. See, this is an awesome recipe, everybody's favorite. So let's keep going till we are done with our bread. That butter just adds more flavor to it when you're making the French toast. So try it with the butter. If you don't like the flavor of butter, then use vegetable oil. There you saw how simple this recipe is. It's easy to follow. Please try this recipe out. You can garnish it with any of your choice of fruits or chocolate syrup for that matter. With a dollop of butter would be even better. So make someone feel special. Go back to your childhood, and this will be an all-time favorite for everyone. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. I sure did enjoy making this for you guys. I wish you all the best and stay safe, stay healthy. Till then, next time. Bye-bye. Now, Texas style